How you doing, guys? Welcome back. We have a really quick look at Kyber, KNC token, and I did make a video this morning, but for some reason it didn't get uploaded. But probably for the greater good, because I did see us having a period of consolidation, and hopefully bouncing from the Ishimoku cloud or entering into it for either pumping up to meet this target or a slight wick under where we would bounce from the 786 and continue higher. What's actually happened is we've had a mammoth sell-off over the last 4 hours, dare say almost into the fifth, which saw us plough straight through the 786, straight through the cloud, and also down through a significant support resistance zone at 150. Now, very pleased to say that we are back up at the 150, but I'm just going to switch to the 1 minute to see where we are with that. So give me 2 secs while I just have I'm going to switch to the 5 minute just to give it a briefer time frame. So yeah, literally within the last half hour we fell in, jumped straight out. So that's positive. This is good support for us. What we need to do now is have a little move from there. We do not want to be hanging around. Otherwise, our next stop from here would be just under 149, and then we've got another support zone at 147, and then from there it gets a bit steeper, and we'd be looking at possibly getting down to 136. If we do continue our downward trend, I will look at possible areas for we've got one straight away. Area for support, we've got 142. So yeah, if we do continue a downward trend, which I'd be really surprised to see, 142 might be on the cards if we don't stop prior. So the fact we have wicked through 150 and jumped straight back up, hopefully that is just a matter of back testing the low, and we should now see a move. Let's see what this looks like. Yeah, we should see a move not unsimilar to that, and worst case scenario would be something like this. Yeah, so not dissimilar to this morning's video that I made, which didn't actually make it out to for you guys to review, except I did expect us to have some downward action to the cloud, through it, either under it and up or from it and up. As such, we lost the cloud and we've back tested a historic support resistance zone, which we're currently sitting above, which is very, very good. Not good that we've had a downturn, but it's good that we've made it back above that support line. So I'm just going to leave it here for a minute and watch what's going on, just so I can appease my own concerns, if you will. Because obviously it's not good to wick below, but as we've come straight back up, we're now sitting there. So let's just see for the next minute. What would be really nice to see is that we jump up into the Ishimoku and then straight through, or perhaps some sort of swing pattern that takes us like that. Yeah, that's pretty much all from me. Just while we're watching this, I will mention that Crypto Fips has now got a new Patreon account. So if you're enjoying the content that's coming out, please do pledge and show your support to us, as well as your likes and subscriptions to the channel. We are trying to grow, and some additional finance coming into us will allow for more time to spend on the deep dive analysis behind the scenes, because I think what you'll see from my videos is you do have a 10-minute max snapshot at a token. There isn't any videos up at the moment regarding tokenomics, the future plans, the bad press, the good press, things which could make a big difference to price action, and I really want to start doing that for you all, rather than just the desktop research that myself and the team are doing. So yeah, please do pledge what you can, and that's that's the promotional part over and done with. And as you can see, we are not holding support. We've just had 2 minutes where we wicked down, I'd be very interested to see if we wick lower than 149.67, or whether we'll have a quick spike back up, or perhaps move along with the cloud before moving higher. Hi everyone, so just to continue on from the video, I did put a little pause in just so we could watch what's happening with the price action, rather than hold you to account for 10 minutes just to watch something move sideways or downwards. So we have actually wicked, as you can see, we're losing support. So next stop will be 148, or we might see a slight upswing in the short term back to 150. But yeah, realistically, I think next stop for KNC, Kyber Network Crystal, will be 148.90, and I'm going to check back in a couple of hours and see what's going on here. So apologies, it's not better news. Please do like and subscribe and stay in touch for the latest updates. Take care.